Hi guys, here we've got Google Pixel 6a, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification. So first of all, open your phone dialer and tap on more icon, then click on settings and now mark voicemail. Here you have to select notifications and tap on sound. And now just pick the sound that you would like to apply. Okay, so I am offline, so I don't have access to all the sounds. Let me choose one from the default ones. Then click on save, and that's it. You've just changed the voicemail notification sound. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.